trying to make the tackle. Ball still there for England. Simon Shaw.
Oh, there.
Onto it at pace.
Come on, it's Jack Latta chin.
Again, it squirts behind Kerr, but
Come on, fire layer out. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Curry, free through. Free through.
Some tired bodies out there now on both.
Come on, lads, come on. Yeah! Oh, Fecker and score. Fecker. They are hooked. Come on, lads. Come on, Amaklesh. Billy. Come on, Ray. Carl Wilshed. Come on, it's chocolate. It's chocolate and chin. Go Hintock. Oh. Come on, lads, come on. Now lick that view all.
To the fore as the clock ticks down and away from England.
Yeah! Come on, Paul. Come on, Ernst. Come on, Ray. Shin and Schley. Come on, Arish, Arish. Ray, lad. Go on. Come on, Amaklesh, Amaklesh.
Still the opportunity is there, O'Gara.
Go Hintock. Come on, it's chocolate. Tá sé shot A and his shot A. Tá me con Udella all. Come on, lads, Udella.
England back. Defence organised and making the tackles. It looked like Keith Earl.
Shot A and his.
Finish this day.
Go on.
They tried to remember, and maybe they still.
It's chocolate. Come on, Rip. Yo, go on. Oh, come on, lads. Bill Amake. Yo, and Bill again. Yo, and Gredfy. And Gredfy. Me all, lads. Grand Slam, Hamish. Go Hintock ar fad, lads. Yo! We've shin Ewas. Alright, lads. Fair play, Grieve. Me
challenge. Whether that's paying lip service or reality, well, only time will tell. But today,
me lads, me
at the Aviva Stadium.
Fair play, Grieve.
Let's go down.
You know, the leaders in the team, Paul O'Connell and Brian O'Driscoll, spoke before the game, and they spoke so passionately about ending this series on a high, and we're just so delighted to give everyone here a lift and get a good win under our belt.
And a high it was. You came out all guns blazing, and you never let up for the entire game.
Yeah, that was the plan, you know, to just start fast and continue for the 80 minutes. You know, the rain came in and spoiled it a little bit, but you know, we'll take the win every day, and you know, we'll build a bit of momentum going into the World Cup.
Hanawa. Okay.
Yeah, you know,
What a gap into if we shin.
I made a couple of mistakes which cost us dear, and it was important to bounce back out of
All right.
Ronan gets in the country.
Take him.
Fantastic and well deserved for everything he's done.
Fantastic.
To work hard to get that support as well. So
Yeah, Keenta. Okay. Sure, Talon, Taki, like Will.
For him as it was for me. I can say that honestly, it was for both of us. So just delighted that we won today.
Come on, Keenta. Agus, Cogardigus Latinish. All right, Slán, Johnny.
Michael, they are sending you away. Be